Hi everybody, welcome back to Diamond Painting with Eskies. This is not about diamond painting. Sorry, I have my rose out because I'm working on it, but we have a package. I'm so happy. Alright, so I'm going to grab the scissors because I need to cut through this bag. Yes, I do know what this is. We had really expected for this to come to me to do the first opening unboxing like happened with their other products, but this one had to be specially made for me because they don't carry this one in stock in this size, and because someone in shipping kind of boo-booed and forgot to mail it. So it didn't get here as quickly as was expected. So as you can see, we have a very pretty box with these beautiful Christmassy things on it. For some reason they have put this in a diamond painting box, which confuses me, but that's okay. I have you in a very different camera setup right now. I'm trying to see if it works better for getting you to where you're not just looking at me. So this is not a diamond painting. And I have been asked to review this. And I am perfectly happy to do so. They sent me a photocopy of the picture and schematic, so I will not be showing you that because, well, it won't show you the beautiful colors in the package. Okay, sorry about that, folks. So this has a ton of colors. I know that the reason that they sent me 2 sets of paints for this is because it's really big. I thought about going even one step bigger with this, but thought it would take me forever to do it. But if you see, we have beautiful colors for it. There's a little bit of fuchsia, lots of teals and seafoam greens, blues, a little bit of purple. I am so excited for this. So, as I said, the picture on it will not do it any justice because it is in black and white. I don't care that they did it as a photocopy versus a color photograph. It doesn't do anything different for me. That we have 2 sets of paintbrushes. This one is very nice, tiny, fine point, which is going to be awesome for this. This is a slightly larger brush. We have a size 2 flat. This has a different, smaller brush in it. It's slightly bigger and splayed out, and I can tell you I would have to trim it because it's got a few bristles that are sticking up. But that's okay, because you guys know I have really good sets of paint brushes. You can absolutely complete your paintings with those. They are not a problem at all. So I'm going to put my glasses on so we can find this. Hopefully find this end of the tape. Yep, there we are. See, all you gotta do is feel for it a little bit. And hopefully I can get it off. Otherwise I will just cut it. I just don't really like to take sharp instruments near fabric unless I need to, and in this case I wouldn't want to. So I am cutting this tape off camera because, as I told you, there are people that are triggered by pointy blades, and I just don't want that to be an issue on my channel for my friends. Okay, so that tape is off very nicely. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about painting canvases that we've not seen. By the way, this fit beautifully in the box. Not a crinkle, nothing like that. It's on a foam roller, which is awesome for this. Painting canvases are linen. They are not cotton, they are linen. And what was described on somebody else's video as a plasticky coating is not. It is gesso. Gesso is a sort of primer for oil paints and acrylic paints. It causes the color, pigment, and paint to grab onto the fabric. It acts, it has a little bit of tooth to it, which means it feels very smooth to us, but it's got enough texture to grab those paints and help them stay on. The one thing I can absolutely say that I believe they need to change right off the bat, it needs to have a paper pattern with it, like the one that is with my rose. Okay, I'm going to show you the one for the rose. Now, I'm showing you this so that Victoria's Moon can see this is something I think they really need to include in their Paint by Numbers kits. This is what I use to go back if I mess up a color, or to know where I'm at so I can come in and blend later. It's very important to have this. What I'm going to do, and I hope that the next kits will come with this paper pattern, but what I'm going to do in its place is, when I get done filming this, I will take a picture of this canvas fully rolled out, so that I can absolutely see what I need to reference. Now, I ordered this so large. This painting could easily have been done in a 40 by 50, not even a glitch. But I happen to love the Aurora Borealis. I think it's quite beautiful. And you guys know I love water scenes. And this is the Aurora Borealis over the water. It's really quite beautiful. It's got trees in it. I'll show you the black and white. But just imagine that you saw the colors that are going to go in this. But this is the image itself, because you can't make it out on this canvas. This is a 50 by 70. It is huge. Love it. Love it. It's going to be so fun to do. There are only a few small spaces on it, so believe it or not, this painting will go very, very quickly. It's a lot of large spaces, which was what I wanted to use as a review for them. I didn't want a review piece to be all teeny tiny little detail. I wanted it to be something that I could blend and smooth and make just as stunning as I possibly can. So this is going to get started very, very quickly. I'm going to pause you and pull you off of this holder to bring you back so you can see the entire canvas. It is massive, you guys. This is my biggest Paint by Numbers. I'm super excited to get into this. But right now I'm working on some blending on the rose. So we'll see. Hold on and I will take you out so you can see the entire thing. Okay, you all. So Fluff is being grumpy at Spirit for no good reason. But you can see how big this is. My easel is under it, and it is larger than my easel all the way around. It's huge. As a matter of fact, you all would get a good giggle. I am standing up on my bed to do this for you. Okay, so I have you back in my little setup. Sorry, Fluffers is being grumpy today. So this is just going to be absolutely cute. I love it. It's going to be fun. I have no idea where to hang it. I wanted an Aurora Borealis image. I didn't find one in diamond painting that I was overly impressed with. And then I saw this one and it just grabbed my attention for a review piece. I think that's awesome. The canvas and gesso are very nicely done. Very nicely. It probably could have been a little thicker coat of gesso if they chose, because you can see it's not much different than the canvas color, but I will let you know how that works out. Generally, if it's not a very thick, like 2 coats or 3 coats of gesso, then you have to kind of work it into the weave of the canvas, and that makes it a little more difficult. So, as you can see, I can bend this and everything, guys. It's fabric. It's not a problem. This is my color scale. I have 24 colors. The numbers that you will see next to the colors are color identifiers. They are not on here, but on here. These are color identifiers, and they are part of the Chromacolor scale, which is used for inks, paints, and photography. Much like DMC is for diamonds and threads and fiber colors. So this is a different scale for pigmentation, color, hue, all of that good stuff. tone that you need in painting. So, yeah, it's different than the DMC scale. It really is. So, this is what we're going to be doing. On that, my thoughts and prayers are with all of you as always. Oh, before I go, Victoria's Moon, I have to say, it's a lovely kit. Please include that paper photocopy of it in the next round. That's the one thing that I would say needs to be improved. Other than that, we're looking good, and I will be testing out the paints on it later today. My thoughts and prayers are truly with all of you as always, and I will see you next time. Or you will see me next time. You all have a great week. I'll see you Sunday for the final Christmas live stream drawing. This is going to be so much fun. Bye-bye, everyone.